This is my Singer Touch and Sew 603 that I purchased about 2 weeks ago. Okay, I've already cleaned the machine, top and bottom. I'm just demonstrating the bottom today. I've already oiled it, and what I need to do now is lubricate it. And so I didn't have a lubricant, so I went online to see what everybody was using, and most people stated they use that they use Tri-Flow. Well, I went online to order Tri-Flow, and I think it's going to take a while. So, in the meantime, I went to Ace Hardware, and this is what I found. It's called Super Lube. Super Lube is also a synthetic grease. It is not petroleum-based. It contains PTFE, Syncolon, I believe that's how it's pronounced, which is a brand name, just as is Teflon, which I believe Tri-Flow contains Teflon. It states that it provides longer life protection against rust, corrosion, friction, and it's also waterproof. So what I did is I lubricated my gears here and here, these two gears, and there are two gears over here. I will let you hear what it sounds like. When I purchased it, it was sounding pretty bad. So this is what it sounds like. So that sounds pretty good. So until I receive my Tri-Flow, this is what I'm going to be using. Super Lube. And this is a 603E. I also have a 600. I'm going to use it on my 600 also. So I want to thank you for watching my video.